In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save Canva as an image. Now, once you've got your design all ready and you want to save that design, what you want to do is come up here to where it says Share. Now, if we click on there, then if we click on Download, we're going to get a few different options when it comes to saving this as an image. Now, the normal one is PNG, and we also have JPEG. Now with JPEG, you do get a few different features, but if we look here, we can see this little crown icon, which means that that's a Canva Pro feature. Now we can download a JPEG on a free plan, but you're not going to be able to use these two features. Same with PNG. So if we click on PNG, we can see, if we look just here, we do see that little crown icon, which again means it's a Canva Pro feature. So if you want to play with the size of the PNG, that's going to be Canva Pro. Same with compressing file and making a transparent. But if you don't want any of that, all you simply have to do is just click the PNG, click on download, and now that has been saved as an image. Now let's just give that a second, because now if we open this just like that, we can see we now have our image. So that's just how easy it is to save Canva as an image. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.